Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today's topic is one word substitution, which is very important for competitive exams, and it is also important for spoken English because we want to talk about any topic, and if we have this type of knowledge, one word substitution, that will be helpful. So the first word is Jaywalker. Jaywalker means someone walks on the road without following the traffic rule. Next word is jerry builder. Jerry builder. Jerry builder means one who makes cheap buildings with poor materials. Next word is cinephile. One who is fond of cinema. Next word is oncologist. The doctor who treats patients affected by cancer. Next word is plumber. One who fits and repairs pipes. Next word is haberdasher. Haberdasher. A male dealer of hats, caps, and items used in sewing. Next word is milliner. A person who sells or makes women's hat. Next word is seamstress. A woman who is engaged in tailoring. Next word is physicist. Physicist. Physicist means one who does research connected with physics. Next word is philatelist. One who collects or studies stamps. Next word is philozoic. One who loves animals. Next word is regicide. Regicide meaning the act of killing a king. Next word is anthophile. One who loves flowers. And next word is fruitarian. A person who eats only fruit. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are requested to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching my video.